What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. I'm also going to go through US cocoa today. So starting with natural gas. Now, as you can see, the price is constantly pushing lower without any pullbacks. Mean we are still in a bearish pressure and bearish continuation. So what I'll be looking at now, I'll be looking at the next level of support, and I will use this level as my level of resistance. So I'm going to plot my Fibonacci tool to calculate the pullbacks. So let's change the color to red, as now this level has turned to be a resistance level, and we are not using this level as a support zone. As you can see, the price has now broken below this zone. So now at this point, what I'll be looking at, so let's do it here on NEMEX platform. So we are now in the August contracts. As you can see, the contract has been switched over. In case you are wondering, right here, just change the color to red. So what I'll be doing now, as this level has been broken, that was previous support, I'm going to use this level as my resistance zone. So there are two ways of entering here. So first, just a normal pullback followed by bearish engulfer, must be below 50 EMA for my valid sell trade. Targets will be 1 ATR initially, and then you can manage it to 2 ATRs. Totally up to you if you want to manage it till the support zone as well. The second way is the retest of the zone, which has been broken, which is 2.568, that goes to 2.679. Retest after bearish engulfer or double top entry confirmation. Stop loss can be above, take profit 1-to-1 initially. The third way is a Fibonacci retracement, which is an aggressive entry. So what I'm going to do, pull up a Fibonacci tool from the candle to the zone above right here. So what I'll be looking at, a 50% retracement pullback. That can be a sell limit order. Take profit can be 1 ATR, or you can go 1-to-1 by keeping your stop loss above, take profit 1-to-1, and you can manage it till 1.618 retracement. But that will be a risky and aggressive entry if you are using a Fibonacci retracement, as we are just using 50% retracement for the sell limit order, where the order will be triggered and then we'll be involved in the trade for the price to push lower. So these are the three conditions I'll be looking at. Keep an eye. It's totally up to you, whatever you choose to enter. If you are aggressive trader, that is an entry you need to look at. If you're not an aggressive trader, you want to look for the pullback below 50 EMA. Wherever you get pullback below 50 EMA, it can be at 50 EMA as well, followed by bearish engulfer. That will be a pullback entry. If you want to wait for the price to come down in this zone, form a bearish engulfer or double top, that is also an entry condition. These are three ways of entering: aggressive, less aggressive, and aggressive entry from the zone. Once we have a valid condition, we are good to go short. Now let's say if the price gave us one more candle, let's say we have one more red candle, something like this. In that case, I'm going to adjust my Fibonacci tool from the lower candle to the zone like this until I start to see a pullback. So that is what I'll be adjusting my Fib tool, and I'll keep you guys informed anyway in my next video if I see a condition. So that's what I'll be looking at now, the zone below, where I'll be expecting some bounce and a pullback, not a major zone but a minor zone, but a good level, which is 2.132, that goes to 2.260. As you can see, the price has pushed up from this level and used this level as a support and resistance in the past. So that is why I'll be using the zone to see a possible buy entries or possible bounce with my entry condition. I'm going to keep you guys informed once we are in this area, but have these zones both above and one below on your charts. Here on capital.com, exactly the same. The zone below from where I will be looking to enter my buy trade, it is 2.085, that goes up to 2.230 for my buy confirmation with my conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom. But for now, as we are broken below this support area, that will now likely to act as a resistance. What I'll be looking at, I'll be looking at a pullback, something like this. I'm going to use the upper level of this zone, which is right here. So 50% aggressive entry, take profit 2 can be 1.618 retracement. Initial target can be 1-to-1 by putting a stop loss above this pattern. So that's what I'll be looking at. All the entries will be same: aggressive entry from the zone or the pullback entry below 50 EMA, followed by bearish engulfer. That can be a big pullback as well. As long as we have a pullback below 50 EMA, I'm not getting alarmed that price is turning around to the bullish side. So as long as we're below 50 EMA and below the zones, we are not looking for buy trades. Now buy trades will be only from here, or once we are dramatically broken above 50 and 20 EMA. Now here on Ovanda, it's a bit different here. As you can see, the price is still in the level of a support, and here on this platform, as I trade on Ovanda, if I see a bullish engulfer, that will be just a scalp for me, scalp of few ATR 1 to 2 ATR, then I exit and start to look for my bearish pullback entry. So I'll be looking for pullback entries here on this platform, not aggressive entry or not a Fibonacci entry. So once we have broken below this zone, I'm going to plot my tool and then I'm going to start to use the zone for my aggressive entry or my Fibonacci entry once we have broken below. Otherwise, I'm just looking for the normal pullback followed by bearish engulfer. I'm going to go short. If we have a bullish confirmation, that will be a signal of a little bounce, not a reversal, but the bounce will be enough to hit your buy targets. You cut your profits and then look for your sell trades, because now we are looking at sell trades only. Now the zone below here on Oanda, which is quite far, which is 1.965, that goes to 2.057, which is my buying area for my buying trades only. So wait and see what condition we get. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now not breaking above the trend line. We are still below the trend line. I'm still looking at this level right here. I'm only going to enter my gold trades once we are completely broken above the trend line and this high, and then a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. Very simple. And I'm going to go long and keep on taking longs till we are at the level of resistance, a minor resistance. So for now, I'm just looking and waiting with patience till the price breaks above this anchor. Otherwise, we are still not bearish or we are still not bullish as long as we are above 2284.86. that goes to 2204.17. If we get a fall equal to this level and the price forms a bullish engulfer, in that case we have a signal the price will likely push up and range between this area until we are broken above this trend line. So not bearish completely until we are above this area. So wait with patience, either above or either from this area of value. For silver, we are above 50 and 20 EMA, but like I mentioned yesterday, I still want to see a complete break above this anchor. Once we have completely broken above with a body, in that case I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish and keep on taking long. So wait with patience, no condition, we are still bullish and not completely bearish as long as we are above this zone, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. So wait with patience, wait for the breakout. Once we are broken above, then we can start to look for the pullback entry bullish only. Next up, we have crude oil. How nicely the price broken above and pushing up from the zone that was sent to my members, and that was also mentioned here in my YouTube video. So pushing up, and I'm just looking at the level above, which is 85.81, that goes to 88.24, from where we're going to start to look for the bearish pullback like bearish engulfers or double top entry condition. Inverted ambers 382 candles is also one of my entry condition, aggressive entry but also one of my entry condition. For now, all I'm expecting a price to pull back to 50 or 20 EMA and forms a bullish engulfer. Wherever we get a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, something like this or something like this, I'm going to go long using 1 to 2 ATR for my targets. Only looking for long trades till we are here. Then I'm going to start to look for the sell and counter trend trades. Lastly, we have US cocoa. So I've already mentioned this level in my live session yesterday with my members, that we can expect a bounce, and that was also mentioned a couple of weeks ago in my video. So what I'm expecting, as we have no bullish condition but we are still in the bullish zone and price is reacting from this area, what we can expect a push up to 50 EMA, from where we can get a likely rejection. If you have a rejection like bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short and look for my double bottom entry condition. That looks something like this. So if the price comes down to my rejection box, forms a bullish candle like bullish engulfer or a 382 candle, I'm going to go long and keep my stop loss here. I'm going to go 1 to 1 initially, manage my trades accordingly. For now, I'm just looking for a bounce till 20 EMA or 50 EMA. If you have a bearish engulfer, a pullback, and then start to look for my bullish trades. Otherwise, let's say the bounce is strong enough and break above 50 EMA, only then I'm going to start to look for my bullish continuation trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.